What if your home could look like a beautiful Hobby Lobby Christmas display without spending hundreds of dollars? Welcome to Grandma's Rustic Nest, where we turn simple, affordable pieces into warm holiday treasures. Today, we're creating charming DIY Christmas decorations inspired by the cozy, nostalgic style many of us love, while adding personal touches that make your home feel truly yours. Before buying anything, imagine how you want your Christmas home to feel. For this project, think warm wood, soft greenery, vintage textures, creamy whites, and traditional reds. Instead of decorating every corner differently, choose a simple color story. This makes inexpensive decorations feel intentional, coordinated, and surprisingly elegant, just like a thoughtfully styled holiday collection. One of the easiest transformations begins with an ordinary dollar store item. Choose a small wooden sign, tray, frame, or container, then add greenery, ribbon, and a little distress paint. The secret is layering textures rather than spending more money. A basic piece can suddenly look handcrafted, collected, and perfectly suited for a cozy Christmas cottage. For the dining table, create a centerpiece using a thrifted bowl or wooden container. Fill it with faux pine branches, pine cones, berries, and warm miniature lights. Add a few vintage-inspired ornaments for personality. The beauty comes from imperfection. Rather than making everything symmetrical, allow the greenery to naturally spill outward, creating that relaxed, gathered over the years Christmas feeling. Ribbon can completely transform a Christmas display. Look for plaid, velvet, ticking stripe, or traditional red and cream patterns. Instead of simply tying bows, loosely weave ribbon through greenery, baskets, wreaths, and even stair railings. Mixing ribbon widths creates depth. For women who love timeless decorating, this inexpensive technique offers a beautiful way to refresh familiar decorations without replacing everything. Never overlook thrift stores when creating holiday decor. Old baskets, wooden frames, brass containers, ceramic dishes, and vintage-looking picture frames can become wonderful Christmas accents. Give each piece a simple seasonal purpose. A basket can hold ornaments, a frame can surround a holiday print, and a ceramic bowl can display pine cones. The goal is decorating with character, not perfection. Now bring warmth into the room with handmade details. Create simple ornaments from wooden beads, fabric scraps, twine, or dried greenery. Add handwritten labels or tiny vintage-style tags. These small details are especially meaningful because they make decorations feel personal. Christmas decor doesn't have to look factory perfect. Sometimes the most memorable pieces are the ones carrying your own creative fingerprints. The mantel is where your DIY pieces can truly shine. Begin with greenery as your foundation, then layer candles, stockings, wooden signs, vintage ornaments, and small decorative trees. Keep taller pieces toward the center or sides, and allow smaller objects to fill the spaces between them. This layered approach creates dimension while keeping the mantel warm, balanced, and inviting. Don't forget the kitchen. A few simple changes can make everyday spaces feel wonderfully festive. Add a small wreath to a cabinet, place pine branches inside a ceramic pitcher, or display holiday mugs on open shelving. Use natural materials wherever possible. Wood, greenery, linen, and aged-looking ceramics create a cozy Christmas atmosphere without making the kitchen feel overcrowded. The most beautiful Christmas homes rarely rely entirely on new decorations. Mix inexpensive DIY pieces with treasured ornaments, family heirlooms, and thrifted finds. This creates a collected appearance that feels authentic rather than overly coordinated. If something has sentimental value, give it a place in the display. After all, the heart of Christmas decorating isn't following trends, it's creating memories. And that is the magic behind a Hobby Lobby-inspired Christmas makeover. You don't need a huge budget to create something beautiful. With thrifted treasures, simple DIY projects, meaningful ornaments, and thoughtful layering, your home can feel warm, nostalgic, and completely personal. Here at Grandma's Rustic Nest, remember that the best Christmas decorations aren't simply beautiful. They tell the story of home, family, and memories made together.